In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, so let's get started. So I made $10,110 in commission, as you can see. And in today's video, guys, I will share with you my methods and I will share with you which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn some commission like this. Okay, I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, and in my balance over here I have $10,110 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Okay, they will ask you a few questions. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, just go back to your Fiverr home page, okay, like this, and search for this service. Okay, we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, we will search for services that are related to Pinterest. So search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, like this. So you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate links. So you need to choose services that are related to Pinterest. So people who are using Pinterest and they want to grow their Pinterest account, they will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. So you will earn commission. Okay. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. Just click on his service, okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link like this, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, okay, and click over here and put this seller profile link here, okay, like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do, if you don't have a Pinterest account yet, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open a Pinterest business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and you promote those services that are related to Pinterest. You can make so much money, okay, from affiliate marketing on Pinterest. 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number, okay. So anyways, so just go back to your Pinterest homepage, okay, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next is you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So we will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, and we will click on his picture. Just click on his picture like this, double click and click on save image. Okay, you need to save this picture to your laptop. So save this picture. I'm gonna name this picture pin ads, for example, Pinterest ads, and I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, let me show you. This is my picture here. Click on open, and here you go. What you need to do next, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So we will just go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his title like this, and we will go to Pinterest. We will put this title over here and description. We will go back to this seller profile page and scroll down, okay, and you should see about this gig. This is his description, okay. So I will copy this part to show you how you can do it. Copy this description, go back to your Pinterest account and put this description here, okay. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, you can use this one, okay, Fiverr Pro new plan, okay. So just copy your affiliate link and put your affiliate link here like this. Click over here on choose a board, okay, and if you have new accounts, just click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create a lot, okay. It's super easy. So I will use this one and scroll down. You need to put here keywords that are related to this service, okay. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, you will scroll down, keep scrolling down like this, okay. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags, okay. Copy those keywords, okay. Those keywords are very important, okay. So make sure to use all those keywords here, okay. Pinterest, I'm gonna name it marketing and so on, okay. After you finish, click over here on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest, okay, and it's really super easy, okay. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, okay. Use services that are related to Pinterest and start promoting those services that are related to Pinterest, and you can earn commission by using this method, okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.